want to pass our condolences to the deceased families. A life is sacred, and would always want to mourn those who have passed. Secondly, we urge all our leaders in different disciplines, including leadership, kuma churches, to be always cautious in terms of all our practices that they do, especially if we look into where people are going. Singati, it's a national park. Uguti ukuhamba emanzini, it summarily someone needs to be cleared. And the for anyone who is in Victoria Falls, people should be aware uguti sigu high water season, meaning there is more water in our river, and which also should bring the aspect of being cautious and bring about security to all the members. So much so that we can then avert or avoid such incidences as what we have had. Currently, we hear Uguti, as far as we are concerned, we only heard Uguti there is a loss of life for 2 people, one of whom was aged 49, but these bodies, as we hear, they haven't been found, and all efforts are being made to retrieve their bodies. And as it were, it is a sorry state. Victoria Falls is a tourist destination, and it should not be heard about such incidences. We hear also, there was one client from the Zambian side who also lost his life by way of falling into the river. And a destination has got leadership that is not conscious in terms of providing security to its people or even to the visitors. So that is it brings the sense of crisis, which we should, as leaders from different disciplines, should be taking care of. So we are also going as the residents, we are going to also urge ordinary residents to be also aware ukuthi indawo ezifana lemfula efana njengabo Zambezi ukuthi ibe abantu besiya khona ngale benanzelele ukuthi kungayenzakala izingozi ezinje. We know this is it's traditional with other church denomination. We can't stop it. It is got to do with the belief system, and we may not stop them, but they need to be cautious indeed as they interface with such natural sites afana lomfula uZambezi.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay.